Hello. I have a haul, but first I wanted to show you we finally finished the bathroom stuff. We replaced this. We put that little backsplash on and got this shelf from Walmart. I replaced the swan thing. It just wasn't anything cool. And put this on there. Lizretros made me this new light box. And it's much nicer than this one. And I like the size better. Let's see if I can get it on there. And I have let's see, I'll turn it on. Come over. Okay. Ta-da! and let me see. Nah, that doesn't help. And we refaced these cabinets. I found this laminate that matches what's down there. Don't show that. That's got stuff on it. Yeah. And we just refaced these on the side and on the doors. So it's all finished. Yay! So I'll show you my haul in a sec. Hello, I'm back now. I have a haul from Deseret. So I got a few things there. It was nice when we first got in there. It was cool, and then it just got crazy. So I got this Nespresso. This is a D112. It's got the original tag on it and stuff. It's got this thing goes on here. We tried it, but these machines are so buggy. The water level for the cups is set really low. There's a way that you can set the water level up, but the combination of button pushing I have to look up. But it works. I mean, it heats the water up and it works. And I don't have any cups yet, but I will. And here's the water jobby-doo. And so it was only $4. These are very expensive machines. You know, this is all metal, which is unusual. Keurigs aren't metal. They're plastic. Now, somebody's getting crazy over there. Wait a minute. Pause it for a second. Okay, there was some hijinks going on in the other room. I had to make sure everything was okay. So, and then I got this set of coasters. They had this all weird and jacked up. I don't know if these are the right coasters for this. They're cool. They're like silver or nickel plated. But I like the rack. It's got a neat mid-century look with the wooden handles. It's kind of Danish modern. So this was $3. I thought that was kind of neat. It'd be pretty on the bar. And I got this because I couldn't help myself. This was only 50 cents. But it's a nice looking, 75 cents, sorry. It's a nice looking rabbit from 1998. Hug Fun for Costco. But he's good looking. His ears wired? Oh, they are. Fancy. And I got this weird doll. I think this doll is, look, it has icky diapers on. It's an Ideal doll. What was this thing called? Rub-a-dub dolly. And I guess you would put her in the sink or something. Give her a little tub thing going on. This dress is, yeah, I don't think she's interactive or anything. This is from what year? Oh gosh, 1989. So she's pretty good. She's got inset eyes. Her lashes are just, they aren't missing. They're just kind of bent over because she's been laying in a big pile of dorky dolls. So that's pretty. That was $2. And I got a Vera Bradley eyeglass case. I thought this was really a nice one. Oops. $1. See? Nice. Vera Bradley makes pretty things. I got this little travel bag. I don't know what brand it is. I don't know. Basics. It's probably something from Walmart or Target. It was only 50 cents, but I figured this would be a good thing for me to put my cords in when I travel. And this is cool. This is filthy, but it's a beautiful timer by Miro. It was $1. If I, no, it's all popped together. Yeah, this needs some serious cleaning. It's sort of freaks me out, but it will be beautiful once I get it cleaned up. And I got these dishes. I'm pretty sure these are from Pottery Barn. Pintel collection by Towel. This one, and same deal here. Yeah, $1 a piece. So I thought those were really nice. I kind of like chrome and silver in the sunroom bar area. And speaking of which, I found this. It was $3. This was in with the metal storage stuff in the back room by the big plastic junk way in the back. So, and it's got the thing here, and is it marked? Chromium plated. So I think it's nice. I like the black handle. So these are neat cocktail shakers, and it would go with my collection up there. Yeah. And oh, here's a nice project for Mr. Redrose. Isn't it nice? Is it?
Oh.
They're little ornaments you make.
Nice.
With these are really cool. See, and it's all pre-punched, you know.
Oh.
Where's it from? House. Something. I can't read the housewares. I don't know. You know, it looks like something you'd get at Metropolitan.
What difficulty level is it?
Let's see.
Low.
Says you need a hole punch. I don't know.
Oh no.
A 1/4 and an 1/8.
Oh,
we have those, so
kidding?
Don't worry. These are attractive, though. Look, this one's different than.
That's year round. That.
It truly is. Yeah, yeah. This is really awesome. So that was 75 cents. This I thought was really cute. This is just a little galvanized thing. Some goofball put paint on here. I'm wondering if I can get that off. Why would you do that? But it needs cleaning, but I thought it'd be kind of cute. You know, you could put little flowers in there or something. Sort of, now they're going to start going outside monkeying around, those dogs. So that was $2. And this I got because I couldn't help myself. This is really neat. It's a, obviously, it's a, we see what this is.
Jumping salmon or something.
Jumping salmon. Oh, he's hooked on that, see? He's hooked.
Oh.
Wow. So, yeah. It was like, I don't know. I guess it goes like this.
I don't know.
I don't know. It's neat, though. It's a stained glass salmon thing for $1.50. It's got a thing on here. Where's it from? Something BC. Something Karen's Glass Works. Campbell River. There's a resort, a fishing resort up there. I knew someone who used to go up there every year fishing. Yeah, Campbell River Resort. So that's neat. So I just thought that was cool for $1.50. You can hang that in your window. And there's big weird stuff in here. This is a vintage TV light that somebody painted. But, oh look, it's really cool underneath there. I might be able to get this paint off.
It's going to be a strip job.
Yeah.
It'll be tough.
It's got, but it's an old one because it has a switch and everything. Oh, they put this ugly paint on here. I bet I can get that off. See, somebody tried scraping it. Yeah.
It's going to be hard to get off.
No, you can just use some paint stripper. It should come off. So that should be cool. I can never get the paint off. Sort of neat. So that was, what was that? $2, $3. And I found some cups. This is a Fiesta Ware black cup, 75 cents. Cobalt blue one for 75 cents. I like these ring handles myself. Here's the receipt. Almost forgot. And this one is just really cute. This was 75 cents, but it's like a 70s or 80s mushroom cup from Japan. I just thought it was kind of neat. And, lastly, I got this cool chip dip thing. This is from Pottery Barn. I saw one last week that had the tag on it, but it was all screwed up here. This was $4, and it's got a glass liner, you know, for your dip, which is cool. It's not marked, but I remember it's a Pottery Barn thing. And it's got little footies on there, and that's kind of nice. But I thought that was very pretty and chromy and silvery. So that was cool. So that's what I got there, and then I was just going to show you my purse production. So little purses, so I got to make some more. I was going to show you how I do these. I make the blank, and then this is printed on some vinyl heat transfer paper. You print it on there with the silhouette. You peel off all the negative space, and then you put it on here like this, and then I have a little iron, and I just iron it on, and then it peels off. So that's my project today. And so that's what I got for today. I'll see you later. Cheers.